Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about create animation video with AI, ReelCraft AI. So this is going to be ReelCraft, another AI video for you guys, but for this one, we're going to focus on AI video generations. There are going to be so much samples inside the platform. For now, let's just check the pricing. So this is going to be the prices for monthly, quarterly, and yearly. We're going to focus on free trial for now, which is going to be 125 credits monthly. Thinking about that one, it only refreshes monthly. So there is no voice cloning, there is going to be no captions. We cannot remove the watermark, and basically the pro mode for fully customizable storytelling is disabled. So this is going to be the price again, and let's get started. So I'm just going to click on login here. I'm going to use my dummy Google account, and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. This is what we're gonna have. As I mentioned earlier, there are gonna be so much samples here. For example, let me just click this one. Let's all view it and watch it all together.
High above where eagles soar, mountains stand forevermore. Peaks that pierce the sky so blue, nature's power strong and true. Streams that flow from heights untold.
Alright, I'm just gonna pause the video right there because I really don't want to take much of your time. So you can explore more samples here. So let's get started by simply typing whatever you want here. So there is going to be a prompt bar, right? In here, type in an idea. If you have a storyline, if you have a very short story, so please type it right here. Next up, you have your settings on the lower section, starting from the graphic style, the filters starting from audio, the ratio, the voiceover up to visibility. Now let me just type in here the history of cars. I'm going to make it plain and simple. On the lower section, we're going to have choose your graphic style. So we're going to have 3 choices starting from 4K image that gives you 25 credits, 4K animation that gets and deduct your 50 credits, and the best one is HD Hyper. You'll notice if I click on animation, and then for the Hyper, they're asking us to proceed with the paid plan. So we're going to stick with 4K image. For this one, once you select the 4K image, you're gonna set on the ratio here. So I'm gonna go back on 16:9 since this is gonna be a movie or a reel. You'll notice on the filters also that the music is grayed out because that's gonna be for the paid trial. Anyway, it's just basically selecting your background music, choosing which one you want to add to your video or reel. So voiceover, this is actually very important. First thing is you can remove it if you're not satisfied or you don't want to add some voiceovers on your video. You can choose the language and then listen to the presetted voiceovers. Now let me just listen for one. I'm gonna go for racial, and you'll notice that each one of them, if you hover it, there is a description of what it sounds like. So I'm gonna go for racial. I'm gonna play right here.
Change in all things is sweet. Change in all things is sweet.
Perfect. How about let's go for Alex? I think this is a male one, or Alicia. I'm gonna go for female again.
Welcome to a world of captivating stories and immersive adventures. Narrated with precision and passion by Alicia Speaks.
That is really, really awesome. So I think a paid plan for that one is really worth it. Anyway, I'm going to settle myself for Mary. And then for the next one, we have content here. You can choose content explanation, stories, historical, travel, biography, and wishes, quotes, and thoughts. So for this one, since we're looking for history of cars, I'm going to go for historical. And style for this, we're going to go cinematic, neon, cartoon. I think I'm going to go back on cinematic. Just selecting that one right there. And then for the brand here, if you have a brand, make sure you add it here. As you can see, if I click on this one, I need to add my own brand name, the logo, and then delete current selection. Let's try this one. I'm gonna go for Tutorialboxx for my brand name. This is just a sample. I'm gonna upload my own image from my computer. Let's just say, okay. Now, for the sake of discussion, let's just say that my logo would be this one. That image right there. Wait for it to load up. By the way, this image, I got it from Midjourney. The one I created and generated on my very own Midjourney. I have a video about it, so please check it out. So this is going to be the one how it looks like. Click on save for that. We're going to have now a simple logo. You can change it, the places. I'm going to stick with this. And then click on save for this one. So we have successfully added a brand logo for our video or reel, right? And then for the last one, of course, the visibility. You can choose public or private. I'm gonna remain it as public. So basically for this one, we're done setting it up, starting from the title, the graphics, up to the public or private. So what else? Of course, the last thing to do for this is gonna be generate. Clicking that create button right there, that highlighted create button, gives you another option to choose just to make sure if you want the style you choose from. I'm gonna go back to cinematic, click continue, ask a content type, I'm gonna go for historical, prompt type for this one, transform the given idea into a script, do not change my script, enhance the rough sketch of a script. So I'm gonna add this one since I only have an idea. Click on continue, I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is gonna be our video output. Now for this one, let me just play it and I'll watch it together.
In the late 18th century, the Industrial Revolution set the stage for steam-powered vehicles, marking the dawn of automotive innovation. The late 19th century saw the pivotal introduction of the internal combustion engine, changing the automotive landscape forever. Henry Ford's assembly line in the early 20th century made cars affordable and accessible, revolutionizing transportation for the masses. Today, pioneering advancements in electric and hybrid technology continue to propel the evolution of automobiles.
Alright, sorry for that one because I'm going to post that video right there. I don't want to take much of your time, but for now, we're going to have 3 sections here. We have story, basically the outline or the caption or the narration for this whole reel. Now for this one, this is going to be the storyboard where you can edit your shots. Notice that each one of them has a scene here. And you'll notice on the left side, each scene has a prompt. That means you can edit your shot, add a scene, delete a scene, and basically edit your music here. However, for some of the features here are going to be locked for now because those are going to be for the paid trial. For example, if I click the first scene right here, this is going to be the prompt for the first scene. And then if I want to edit it, I can just simply edit some parts here. For example, rather than 18th century steam-powered vehicle, in an industrial revolutionary factory, I'm going to type in here an 18th century car. That's how you edit it. And if you want to proceed for this one, simply click on save, and then this scene will be edited. However, for that one, for this to work again, that would be for the paid subscription. Same goes for the voiceover, you can change it right here. It's going to be easy as that. On the gear icon here, you can change the specific voiceover. Right here, you can change the captions of the voiceover. Take note about that one. So it goes on each scene here, you're going to have the power to change it. You can add the specific part of the scene here. You can rather add a new scene at scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, or 4. For example, if you want to add scene 2 right there, choose the new voiceover for that one, add the voice description right here, and simply add it. If you want to add the shot here, you can animate a prompt here, select an image or search an image, basically for their library. For the select image right here, let's just say I want to add this specific image. Click on continue, click on save, and there we have it. As you can see, we have successfully added a random photo inside our reel. But doesn't that look weird because this is going to be a steam engine and that's a shoe, so I'm going to remove it by that garbage bin icon right there, delete it all the way. And basically that's how it works. Deleting something just by one click of a button. Alright? Same goes for the edit music. If you have the power to change your background music, you can choose it here. You can listen to the songs here. Let's just choose one. I'm gonna go for inspiring or upbeat for this one. You also have the option to no background music for this one. You can also upload your very own music for that one, but as you can see, it is gonna be grayed out. Alright? Next up, for the video, this is where you can preview the whole video again. Also, you'll notice on the bottom section, you're gonna have edit caption, modify duration, generate video, or upload directly to YouTube. So I'm gonna click on generate video for this one, but that would be restricted for paid users. Same goes for the video and caption, because you need to generate the video first before you can edit your caption. So basically for that one, just one click of a button and you can really change the caption here. You can add the caption based on the narration from earlier, which is gonna be this one right here. you can add this one as a caption to your videos. Alright? So take note about those powerful stuffs here. If you have the paid trial, just try them out with one simple click of a button, you'll be good to go. Again, just to re-update you or reiterate this one, if you want to add your video captions, first you need to generate your videos, and then basically click on that edit video, and you'll be good to go. Alright? Basically that's it. So please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.